Hey there, Greg Marchand. When I do a training class, I invariably get somebody that walks up to me and says, hey, you know what, I'm taking over a family business, what advice do you have? And my biggest advice is, look, if it's a brand new family business, as in your first generation, then every precedent you set, that family's gonna live with for the next 40 years. If it's an existing family business, then communication is your one biggest challenge. And when I say communication, you as a family need to sit and meet once a week and take turns bringing something to the table that you feel is important about the business and present facts, not opinions, but facts about why that is important. Every one of us is gonna have a different opinion, and those of us that have been in the business for 50 years are gonna have really strong opinions. And so make sure you bring facts to that family meeting once a week. Keep it to an hour. That you still have to abide by my meeting rules, right? Short. In this case, short is 1 hour. Have an agenda. In this case, the agenda is what you see the business needs to do or the direction it needs to go in with your facts, and do so consistently. That weekly 1 hour meeting with every family member focused on the business and not on family is going to pay dividends if you can create that consistency. All right, click subscribe, stick some messages in the comments if you got something to say about this, and keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.